Active Brake Assist 6. The advanced safety system employs 270-degree fusion technology to monitor the vehicle's surroundings, even across multiple lanes, relying on camera technology and multiple radar sensors. By utilizing the significantly expanded monitoring range of the new system generation, it can detect stationary and moving objects, including those in bends with a large bend radius. As soon as the vehicle starts moving, the system captures and interprets its environment through the multiple sensors. In the presence of potential hazards, the system provides visual and auditory warnings. If necessary, it can initiate partial or full braking to reduce the severity of a collision, or ideally prevent an accident altogether. The Safety Assistance System for all vehicle model ranges. Active Brake Assist 6. By your side.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.